one that's getting the most attention is cost per token, right? The fact that this offers a cost-effective option. I think the challenge is, and playing devil's advocate here with these Chinese models, is obviously a huge geopolitical, cultural inertia, which is perhaps very valid, around whether or not enterprises are really going to adopt them. Do you see CISOs, CTOs, CIOs truly investing, in a GLM 5.2 or even a Fugu? How realistic do you think that buying decision is?
Well, I think it's very realistic. Number one, what you can see with GLM 5.2 is that we have a very strong inflection point in this move to the edge. What does that mean? Having a model that is available not on the cloud, but on your local device. So it would be wrong to say that now this kind of capability is available on your PC. However, it's getting better and better, and we're clearly seeing an inflection point. So if you are able to have that model on your computer, it changes a lot of things, right? You still have the fact that the model is trained in China, so that doesn't change. So that is still a hurdle. And number two, when you are considering agentic AI in the enterprise, you are effectively having a chain of command with a captain, agent, and crew members of an agentic chain. Okay, imagine like you have the captain and the fleet members that are rowing the boat. Okay, the captain can be Anthropic, can be OpenAI, can be Gemini, and one of the crew members could be DeepSeek, could be GLM 5.2, could be Mistral. And if that model is 5 times, 10 times, 100 times cheaper, then you kind of have the best of both worlds. And we're already seeing multi-AI in many enterprises, and that's not a new trend. So I have been saying that this is going to be a strong reality in the enterprise, and it could come from the new NVIDIA open source models that we had discussed. It can come from Google. It can come from France. So not necessarily the Chinese models, but thinking that this is not going to happen because of geopolitics, I think is very naive.